Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can purchase makeup as well as Valentine's Day pattern on Dress to Impress. Yes, unfortunately you do have to purchase that now, but it's just with pink money. So select the yellow icon and just select this and just purchase the pattern pack as well as the makeup pack as well. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Actually, I will show you guys the patterns so you guys can see what it looks like. There are a few patterns here. I don't think I can apply it to this outfit, so let me find like another one real quick. Let's see, this one. There's this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and there's a few, but I think I will show the makeup as well here. I think it's these ones. I'm not sure which one it is. I think it's for custom. I'm not quite sure, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Oh yeah, it is for custom. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.